Today in this video I am going to tell you how you can become an online seller. No, I am not talking about selling on Amazon or Flipkart, but today I will genuinely teach you how you can become an online seller. I will give you the basic pillars that you require to build an online website, build an online presence. So if you are interested in this kind of videos, I recommend you to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we bring this kind of videos every week. And if you are an online e-commerce seller, you should definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also watch our previous videos because we bring various case studies and various videos that will help you start your e-commerce journey. Let's start. So most of you guys might be thinking, why not sell on Amazon or Flipkart? So there are various reasons. Let's start with the basic one. Number one, there is a lot of competitiveness because there is a lot of competition. There are huge sellers in both Amazon and Flipkart. I am taking the name of Amazon and Flipkart just to give you an example. There are various other e-commerce websites also like Myntra, Meesho, Shopsy, etc. There are various sellers in them. So it might be a huge competition for you, and when you are starting this, it won't be good for you. Another drawback is that the commission model. You have to give a commission to them every time you sell. Every time you use their inventory, you have to give them commission. So this also can be a huge drawback for many of you sellers. And the last one is goodwill. You guys might be thinking that why is goodwill a drawback? Because the goodwill that you are selling through your product is not coming to you. The goodwill is coming to these e-commerce giants. Whenever a buyer purchases your product from their website, they usually tell that I have purchased from Amazon or I have purchased from Flipkart, and this increases their goodwill instead of yours. That's the reason you should always sell through your own brand name, through your own branding. Now let's move on to how you can sell online. But before moving ahead, we have something exceptional for you. EasyOps is India's most efficient omnichannel e-commerce platform. Here you can save up to the salary of 10 employees by EasyOps managing your business. Build a smart business by joining EasyOps. That also for free for lifetime. The link is given in the description. Let's start. Now moving ahead in the video, what are the basic pillars that you need to build an online business, to build an online presence? Number 1, branding. Number 2, marketing. Number 3, sales. These are the basic pillars that you will need to build an online journey. What is branding? Branding means putting your name on your product, building your own brand name. What is marketing? Marketing means popularizing your brand name in the mouth of your target audience. That means showing your brand to your target audience. Marketing usually comes after branding. Now the most important part, that is sales. You have to sell your product to your target audience. This is the thing that will help you earn profit, earn goodwill and earn loyal audience. So these are the basic 3 pillars that you will need to start an online e-commerce journey. Now the question arises, what business should you use? Is it B2B, that is business to business, or it is B2C, that is business to consumer? What is B2B and what is B2C? If you want to know that, I will definitely make a video on this on the next topic and elaborately explain to you regarding this. Now, who should start a B2B business? If you are a person that already manufactures their own product and already have some logistics in your own cities or the cities nearby you, you should start a B2B business because you already have the logistics that requires money. If you start B2C, you have to again build a website that also requires money. So maintaining both of them would be tough. So from the start, you can start doing B2B online. That is, you find resellers and start giving them product by adding a little margin, but the quantity will be large, so that will adjust your profit. So you should start B2B if you already have some logistics or are planning to buy some warehouses or logistics in your city or the cities nearby you. Now who should use B2C? So if you don't have a logistic, if you don't have a warehouse and are not planning to buy, so then you can start reselling your products or social selling your products. That is, you take products from different wholesalers and become a reseller and sell them to the target audience. This will not only give you a less headache, but also this will give you a huge profit by not investing much. You can do that by When the consumer pays you the money, you pay the money to the wholesaler and the wholesaler will give you the product. You take the margin from them and then give the product to the consumer. This will definitely help you become an online seller. So these are the tips that will help you become an online seller. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also like this video. And also do tell me in the comments what if you learned in this video and what are the topics that you want the new videos should be. Thank you so much.